Hello and welcome to Jason Droning Around California High Speed Rail. Today is February 2nd, 2025, and we are in Fresno, California. We are starting here in downtown Fresno, turning north and headed towards Madera. This is Tuolumne Street and Stanislaus Street. All these streets in downtown Fresno are named after the different counties in the area. Here is Divisadero Street, the Fresno Trench, and Highway 180. It looks like they're finally putting the Y back where it belongs. Here is Belmont Avenue with the Fresno Chaffee Zoo in the background. And when we get to the other side, you can see it looks like they're going to try to save the roundabout somehow. That's good. This is Olive Avenue along with some Golden State Boulevard realignment. Here's McKinley Avenue with side-by-side showing they've been doing some underground work. And they've removed the barriers so you can officially drive from Highway 99 over to the Golden State Boulevard. Here we have Clinton Avenue, Highway 99, the Union Pacific Fresno Yard, and a train! This is Ashlan Avenue, followed by more Golden State realignment, and get to see our train disappear like a ghost. This is Shaw Avenue. Here you can see they've started some work on irrigation canal, and the Golden State Boulevard realignment is a little more complete, and they've started the intrusion barrier. Here's Veterans Boulevard and more Golden State realignment. Here's some Goober with a drone. Kind of looks like the same guy that used to run around that little blue car. As we cross Herndon Avenue, we approach the San Joaquin River Viaduct. Here's Avenue 7 as the high-speed rail slowly turns away from the Union Pacific right-of-way and heads to the BNSF right-of-way. This is a whole lot of olives, followed by 8th Avenue. Here's a whole bunch of walnuts and the mystery hole they dug in the ground. I don't know what they're doing there. Maybe it's an underground pipeline they're protecting. Avenue 9 and Road 32 and more walnuts. And here we have a whole lot of grapes around Avenue 10. We'll take a look around here at all this citrus. It's probably clementines, like halos. All those little windmill looking things are part of a system to help keep the fruit from freezing, because it will occasionally dip below freezing here in the valley. 20s are very rare. Here's Avenue 11 followed by some almonds. Funny thing is, almonds actually, it's good to get a nice hard freeze, as opposed to citrus, it'd be a bad thing to get a nice hard freeze. Here's Avenue 12 with some more almonds and what looks like grapes off in the distance. This is the future Madera station area, followed by Avenue 13, and here we meet back up with the BNSF railway and Cottonwood Creek Viaduct. We'll take a look around here at some Holsteins grazing. Here's Avenue 15 as we're coming into the city of Madera. Here's Avenue 15 and a half and Storey Station, where the original Amtrak station used to be back in the day. That's followed by the Fresno River Viaduct and Highway 145. As we cross Raymond Road, we get another little treat. DGI has changed their maps to reflect more what FAA uses and not their own maps, and that means this area is no longer restricted. Yay! My first time through here. They're moving along nicely here on Avenue 17. Here is Lake Street or Road 27, followed by the Mystery Creek Viaduct. Here's the Schmidt Creek Viaduct, followed by Road 26, and I apologize for messing up this side-by-side. This is the end of the whole 2-3 weeks of flying, and I'm always doing something fancy here to wrap up the whole entire shoot, and wasn't really thinking about side-by-sides. So I did the best I can with this week, and then I will try to repeat that better for the side-by-sides from now on. As we wrap up this video, you can see the Amtrak station and the Road 26 overpass, and then Schmidt Creek Viaduct one more time. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.